Hi, and thanks for watching another instructional video for CSCI 1300. In this video, we will talk about return statements, and specifically what could happen if you do not return when you are supposed to return something from a function. In this example, say we're calling a function called roll dice, and we're trying to print what comes back from roll dice. Well, in this particular example, we are technically not going to get an error because of the fact that when we return something, we can basically just get by, or the compiler can get by without a return value. However, sometimes some compilers will actually throw indicators at you that something is going wrong. For instance, if I compile this code, notice that I'm getting an error for line 9. So it's saying that something is going on before the last bracket of roll dice. But if I was to actually print this, notice that I've actually got a value coming out of the function. Well, what's going on there? Well, that value is actually a random value. It's actually the number that's coming back from num, right? So even though we're getting this error message, we're still actually compiling the code every time. So we get the error, but we still can, it still allows us to print from the function. Now, in order to get by with this, what we're going to do is we're going to have to use a return value in order for that error message to go away. You can see here that when we do this, we actually get exactly the output that we're looking for. One thing to note, though, is if you are using, this is a special note. So, special note, when using string functions, no return statement in a string function means that you will get a segmentation fault. Why? Well, the reason why is because C++ added strings as an afterthought. Whenever you use strings, you have to use hashtag include string, which means that we're importing all that information from a library, the string library. So without the return type, since strings are a collection of information, if we don't actually return anything, we end up segfaulting the program. That's all for returns. Thanks, and happy coding.